was born where the river carves a stone, where the thunder learns my name, where the wild things call me home. Bare feet in the black earth, mud on my hands, on my dress. Every breath tastes like rainfall. Every heartbeat beats in the chest of the forest. I hear roots move in the silence, ancient voices in the ground. Every leaf shakes like a warning, every mountain leans down. I feel it rising, rising under my skin like fire. When the sky starts breaking open, it pulls me higher, higher. I am the river, I am the roar, daughter of the storm. I was made for more. When the wind cries out, I answer the call. Power of nature running through it all. I am the fire, I am the rain, lightning in my veins, echo in your veins. When the ground shakes, I will still stand tall. Power of nature running through it all. Salt on my tongue from the ocean, hair wild, tangled with the breeze. Sun paints gold on my shoulders, shadow dancing in the trees. I've stood still through the seasons, watched the green turn rust and bloom. Every ending holds a promise, every seed splits open the gloom. I feel it calling, calling from the canyon, from the sea. Every storm that tried to break me put the thunder inside of me. Close your eyes, feel the tremor in your bones. Every tear